Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact page in Squarespace. Having a dedicated contact page is essential for any website as it gives your visitors a clear and professional way to reach out to you, whether they have questions, want to collaborate, or need support to get started. Open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account from the dashboard. Simply click on the website where you want to create the contact page. This will take you into that specific site's editing interface. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main menu, click on Website, and directly under that option, click on Pages. This is where you'll manage all the pages on your site, including adding new ones. Next, you need to decide where you want your contact page to appear. You'll see two main sections here, Main Navigation and Not Linked. Pages in Main Navigation appear in your site's menu, while not linked pages are hidden from the main menu but can still be accessed through direct links. For this tutorial, we're going to add the contact page to the main navigation so it's easily accessible to all your visitors. Click the plus icon next to Main Navigation. A menu will pop up showing different page types you can add. From these options, select Contact. This tells Squarespace that you want to create a contact page with built-in form functionality. Now you'll be presented with several template options for your contact page. Browse through these templates and choose one that matches the style and layout you envision for your site. Once you've found the right one, click on it to select it. The template will be applied to your new contact page. With your template selected, click Edit to start customizing your contact page. This opens up the page editor where you have full control over every element. You can change the heading text to something more personalized like Contact Us or Get in Touch to better suit your brand's voice. If there are any elements or blocks you don't need, you can remove them by clicking and deleting. To customize the contact form itself, click on it. You'll see three tabs appear: Content, Design, and Storage. These tabs let you control what information you collect, how the form looks, and where form submissions are sent. If you want to modify the fields in your form, click on Edit Form Fields. Here you can add new fields, remove existing ones, or change field labels to collect exactly the information you need from visitors. Scroll down to the lower section of your page where you'll typically find an image or visual element. You can add a new image, replace the existing one, or remove it entirely depending on what works best for your website's design. This is a great spot to add a team photo, office image, or any visual that makes your contact page more inviting. If your contact page includes social media icons, you can add links to your profiles by clicking on the icons and then clicking the pencil icon that appears. This allows you to paste in the URLs for your social media accounts, making it easy for visitors to connect with you on other platforms. Once you're happy with all your changes and everything looks exactly how you want it, click Save. Your contact page is now live and ready to help visitors get in touch with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.